Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create videos using PLR articles. Now, we're going to be looking at 3 different methods. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that is the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. In this part of the video, we're going to be having a look at where you can go and get some free PLR articles. Now I'm right here at a place called PLR.com, and I went over here to the right hand side and I clicked on affiliate marketing. And when it came to affiliate marketing, I just decided to, that one right there, I decided to actually choose this particular article right here. I thought, okay, this is something I can deal with, and I had a bit of a read through it, and I thought, okay, I might fix some of that up, but it's still going to do the job. So all I did was I copied that and then pasted that directly into a Word document. I then double spaced it to make it easier and made it larger so I can actually see it. So then what I did was I went through and I highlighted what I would consider the main point of each paragraph, and then I made sure I bolded that. And what I'm doing is I also then, when at the end of it, I thought I need to get some videos that I want to add to my video editing software. So I went along and I thought, okay, what I'll do is I will think about the sort of video I would like to put in there. And then I typed in the word touch typing video. So everything at your fingertips, and then just have something with somebody typing on their computer. And I thought, well, touch typing video would be a good one for that one. And then over here, with just a few clicks, you can, okay, so with just a few clicks, icons flying on the screen, or you can have something with somebody maybe clicking a mouse. Maybe I might even put that down there. And highlight over the top of that and hit that. See, they can be alternatives for me to use. As years pass by, the internet continuously affects. Okay, so internet continuous to affect radical changes in all facets of life. We can just get rid of some of that because that's just a bit too wordy. Internet affects radical changes in all aspects of our lives. Someone packaging up products on a desk. Now, I've already seen through some of the videos in some of the places I'm going to be taking you through in the next part of the video, and you'll be able to see where you can get some of those from. And then you go through, and as you're going through, you look at all the ones you've highlighted. Grows by over 1 million pages per day. Person using credit card online, so you can have it where somebody is pulling out their credit card and typing the information online. That can be a video that they're using. It doesn't take a business-oriented person. Okay, sky-high financial gains. You can have money falling from the sky, and that's one that would be a good one to have. And this can be maybe a really short video, or if you want to get several of these together, you can be making them so that they become a much longer video. Now this could possibly be maybe a 5-minute video you could then upload onto YouTube. And what you would do is you would put the main point on there, and then you would read all the rest of it, so as it's not quite as boring. And as you can see, I've got some extra long text here, like this for example. You too can earn big bucks, and then you can just continue reading through this off screen. You don't have to have it like I'm doing right now where I'm on screen. You can just be off screen reading it. And then you can just have it so as it's going through, and this one here is an extra long one. You have it so as someone's shaking hands. So you can just continue that on a loop. It is a growing industry nowadays. Okay, so it's a growing industry. You can have that as money falling, or you can have it as a business. Or you can have this as maybe drone flying over city. It really doesn't matter. I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. So I'm just going to highlight these. And yeah, it really is. You can just pick and choose the type of video you want to put in at that particular point. Affiliate marketing works effectively. Okay, so what am I putting here? Okay, because I've got here saves them time and money. So affiliate marketing works effectively for merchants and affiliates to gain the opportunities to advertise their products. So you can probably have this one here. Again, it could be somebody on the computer, or it can be something like maybe traffic speeding by. And then you can just highlight over the top of that. And yeah, so you get the picture of what I'm talking about. So you go through and you edit your current article, and then you put down the type of video you'd like to put in there. Now let's go have a look at some of the video sites you can actually choose from, where you can get some free stock videos. Now the first one I'm going to take you to is Vidnami. Now Vidnami is really good. They have the pro as well as the free options, and you can choose from the pro or free options. Now all you need to really do, for example, if we have the article, let's go choose one of the main points. Let's go here. Okay, let's go back to where it says drive traffic. Thought I saw that a second ago. Okay, I'm just going to go drive traffic. So I'm going to go, I might even just copy on the word traffic. Copy that. And all we really need to do is go Control V and hit enter. Wait for a moment. And you stay away from the pro ones because they are the ones that will cost you money. But then you can go through the ones where it's like this one here, maybe blurry lights. And you can press play, see what that's like. You can also speed that up if you wish to. And then you can download this and place this into your website. So you like this one, or you can go here. You can also do the same thing here. Vidnami is another place I like to go to, so I'm just going to place that in there. We can have a look at what Vidnami brings up. Now be careful with this, you've got sponsored ads as well, so don't click on any of them. But you can come through and you can have a look at the ones that are free, and you also have the premium ones. But I would suggest you can stick with the free ones, they're going to be just as good. And you can have a look at this. And this is a good one because you've got traffic actually speeding by. And that's okay too. You can choose a different one if you wish to. And of course you can download that for free. Once again, you can have a look at the various types of things they have. And make sure you don't get the ones with the watermarks on it. So it's up to you how you want to do it. And then you can do the same thing all the way through with Life of Vids is another place I like to go to. And you go traffic, you can click on that and see what it comes up with. It may or may not have it on the search over here. Okay, it seems like air traffic, but then you've got other ones like this one. What's this one here? Let's hit play on this one. Let's see what it comes up with. Hit play. And any second now there should be a car driving by, I would assume. A bird. Okay, oh there we go. There's some traffic with the bird. Okay, that's a bit different. Right, let's have a look here. You can play that, and you can just go through and have a look at the various ones they've got. And the other one we like to use as well is Pixabay, and also Pexels. Now I'm going to be leaving links all down the bottom here. None of them are affiliate links, they're just links that can send you to where you want. Have a look at that. That page was straight away about traffic count, and that would have been a perfect one to use. Same with that one. Okay, so you can just use these images here to put onto your video editing site. Now, of course, you all know that if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, I usually use Camtasia, but you can use this on any particular video site that you wish to use. If you have, say for example, if you like using DaVinci, you can use DaVinci, or if you want to use another free one, you can use another free one. But either or, you can use free ones or whichever ones that you prefer to use, and then you can just download the videos and use them all across the entire board. Now, and once you've done that, you can import them, and you can then import some music. And I would strongly suggest that if you're going to import music, that you would go to the YouTube library and grab the audio from the YouTube library, because that is copyright free and you're not going to get in trouble using that one. And you can pick and choose the various types of ones you want to use. Now, of course, once you're in here and you're deciding to do this, you can also use various transitions if you wish to, just to make it more interesting. Or you can just have a go from flicking from one image to another so as it looks seamless. And you can transition the text if you wish to, or however you want to do it. Now, the next way we could look at doing this is by using a PowerPoint presentation. And by using the PowerPoint presentation, you can do it all in one place. You can have it all set up, ready to go, and you can then go from one screen to the next, to the next, to the next, going all the way down until you have all of the screens that you wish to fill up. And it's just a simple matter of going over here to add-ins and, oh sorry, wrong one, sorry, insert, go to insert, and then you can go over here to videos, and then you can, any videos that you've saved on your desktop or anywhere on your computer, you can then add here, and then you can add the text across here. You can use transitions using your PowerPoint presentation, and that will allow you to be able to do the transitioning really quickly, really easily, and it'll also give you the ability to probably have more options on how to extend it and make it a little bit longer. If you want to have a couple of points on here or a couple of articles, you can do that, and you can make a 10 to 12 minute video if you wish to, as opposed to a 2, 3 to 5 minute video. Because we all know that with YouTube the way they are right now, you might wish to increase the length of time that you are creating your video for, because number one reason is that you might want to increase your watch hours, and to be able to do that, you need to extend the length of your videos. So, but this is not a YouTube tutorial right now. Now, the next method you might want to look at is looking at a place called Vidnami. We can hit enter. Now Vidnami has a 14-day free trial, and I don't have an affiliate link to this, but I can leave a link in the description down below. I'm not making any money from this particular video, however, you can just go ahead and buy this if you wish to. It's $49 a month, and if you choose to purchase, then you can do that as well. Now, I mean, I could go ahead and get an affiliate link for this and add it to my description a little bit later, but right now I'm not giving that option, so you can just $47 a month and you can get it. Now, just remembering, if I do decide to put a Vidnami affiliate link down below, you'll be helping the channel out no end if you decide to use the link down below. So if I do decide to put an affiliate link down there, yeah, it will cost you no extra money and you'll be helping us out. But at the moment, it'll just be without any affiliate links, so it'll just be a link straight to it, and you can just choose to purchase this. And Vidnami is really good because all you need to do is copy and paste the article, put it straight into Vidnami, and it will find all the appropriate videos for you in the matter of a couple of minutes, and it's completely done. Now, this is definitely going to be the easiest way on how to do it, because Vidnami is going to take up it's going to just take away all the headaches and so forth for you and make it easier. But if you don't want to be spending the money and you don't have the money to purchase this is, as I said, I'm giving you the free alternative that you can use, and that is creating it all yourself and adding it to your site. Now let's very quickly go ahead and download a couple of these videos. And let's go, say for example, I'm going to choose this one. We're going to download this video here. And in about 5 seconds time, this will be ready to download. Alright, so I've decided to actually put this one in here, and I'm going to go there. And I'm going to call this one traffic, so as I have an idea as to what it's going to be about. And I'm going to now hit that and hit that, put that in there. That's an MOV file, just be aware of that. So that's telling me that I won't be able to actually do a direct import. What I'll have to do is grab it and drag it across to my inbox or to my media bin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm now going to open up this file, which I shall bring across to here. Go to my desktop, I'll find that particular one called video. There we are. Wait for it to wake up, and then drag this across to my media bin. Place that in there. Wait a second. Drag this down to here. There we are. Make sure it fits inside my frame. And there we have it. Now I can have it that I can be putting words straight across the screen here to fit what I'm going to do. Or in this particular case, I can now go across to my PowerPoint presentation, and I can then go over here to where it says video. I can go to this device. Go over here to my desktop. Go down here to videos again. And just download it straight onto my desktop. Now, of course, you can have it so as it plays automatically. And you can add words to this if you wish to, and there's a whole bunch of things you can do with this. And then of course there's Vidnami. Now if you look online on YouTube, there's plenty of tutorials on how you can edit through Vidnami. I'm not actually a member of Vidnami, but I have seen some really awesome videos, and it looks like something I will choose to purchase later on. Now once I have decided to purchase it, I'll do a bit of a review on it, just so as you guys can get a better idea as to what we're looking at. And if you decide to upgrade, or if you decide to purchase it, then I'll leave a affiliate link in the description then. Okay guys, well with that being said and done, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.